Whoompada. There's a bit of whoompa in that.
That's going to be hard to watch on the replay.
Bumpada, bumpada. This way gets heavy. Can't believe that fire truck was going through. Did the trolleys running? Holy mackerel. No.
When we were coming down that street, it had just passed.
Really? We gotta get the trolley in our movie. Starring the trolley.
It's going to be a big letdown if we say starring the trolley.
Yeah, and there's no trolley. The heat is hot.
He's like that.
What's the whippity whoppity trolley?
Did you say you had your phone?
Yeah, I got my phone. I think we're being robbed. I don't see a trolley.
Head to see from here.
Ooh, you see the trucks?
Yeah.
Slide out. Hey, get up. They'll hit me. Hey, I'll park in the
In the
track.
middle.
I hear that's a good plan.
Seen it done.
Here comes the trolley. That's why the guy gave us the hand.
Oh, did he?
Oh, yeah.
Starring the
The
trolley!
Yay, trolley! Look at the trolley plow. It's right on top of us. The trolley plowed the street. Come on, light, shut
the
up.
trolley track.
Well, there's a little bit of street it plowed.
Oh, okay. My mistake. I stand corrected.
Alright, we lost trolley lights. Will we be stuck? No, the fit car prevails.
As always.
As always. We'll see if we can get up the fit car's home land here. Might be parking it.
It's a rowdy movie. If there's anywhere to park it, maybe. However,
We'll just go around. Oh, that's a hill too. I guess we go around the block, but there's a hill everywhere you go.
the guy that's sitting right there.
Yeah, let's back it up. Get out of his road.
You want my shut off the movie?
Yeah.